Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you a very easy dinner recipe. It's a chicken roulade stuffed with spinach, mushroom and cheese. So start by taking the chicken breast and flattening it with a rolling pin or a mallet between a piece of plastic or a sheet of cling wrap. So take some Worcestershire sauce and salt and marinate your chicken breast in that just for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the filling, you'll be needing mushroom, boiled spinach and grated cheese. Take a pan and heat some olive oil or vegetable oil. Add the mushrooms in and saute for 5 to 10 minutes. Season the mushrooms with some salt. And add in the boiled spinach. Saute for another 5 minutes. Now take the marinated chicken breast and place on a flat surface and add your mushroom and spinach filling. Add the grated cheese as well. Now roll it into a cylinder and secure the fold with some toothpicks. Do the same with the rest of the chicken and keep aside. Take a pan and heat a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, place the chicken breast in the pan. Make sure it sizzles like this so you know that the pan is hot and you get a good color on the chicken. Keep on a medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Flip the chicken carefully and sear it on the other side for another 5 minutes. Transfer the chicken to a baking dish. So I'm roasting some pumpkin along with the chicken. You can use carrots as well or any other root vegetables. Season the pumpkin with salt and some olive oil. And then bake the chicken in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Depending on the vegetable you're using, it may take a little longer time, but remove the chicken out before. Now take the pan with the remaining butter from the pan-seared chicken and add some flour and cook it. This is known as the roux and this will help thicken the sauce that we are about to make. And once this cooks, I'll be adding some chicken stock. You can add water as well if you don't have chicken stock. But I would definitely recommend either using some chicken stock powder diluted in water as well. So you get a good delicious pan gravy. And let it simmer for about 2 minutes until thickened. And then all that's left is to plate and serve the chicken. I've pureed the pumpkin and served it with some french fries and steamed broccoli and a cheesy garlic bread. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more.